Hey everyone! Welcome back. For today's vlog, I want to talk about something that many of us can relate to. It's red flags we ignore because we love someone. And to be honest, I've been there. There were times when I loved someone so deeply that even when I saw warning signs, pinili ko pa rin huwag pansinin. Nakikita ko na may red flags, nakikita ko na may mga bagay na hindi healthy, pero dahil mas matimbang ang pagmamahal ko sa taong yon kaysa sa mga warning signs na nakita ko, pinili kong manatili. I kept hoping that love would be enough to fix everything. The truth is, most of the time, we do see the red flags. Hindi tayo bulag, pero umaasa tayo. Umaasa tayo na magiging maayos din ang lahat. And because we love them, we convince ourselves to stay. But over time, I realized something very important. Love should never require us to ignore what is clearly hurting us. Love should bring peace, respect, honesty, and consistency. Not confusion, anxiety, and constant pain. Naalala ko tuloy yung kantang to.
So I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, these final hours.
Minsan, kahit gaano natin kamahal ang isang tao, hindi natin mapipilit ang isang relasyon na maging healthy kung hindi pareho ang effort at commitment. So, here are some lessons I want to share. 1. Trust your intuition. Kung may mali kang nararamdaman, wag mo agad i-dismiss. Second, red flags are warnings, not challenges to fix. Hindi mo responsibilidad baguhin ang isang tao. Third, love is not enough without respect and consistency. Kailangan may honesty, effort, at emotional safety. And lastly, don't sacrifice your peace just to keep someone. Your mental and emotional health matter too. When you notice a red flag, acknowledge it. Communicate your concerns. Observe if there is genuine change. And if nothing improves, have the courage to walk away. Because protecting your peace is more important than holding on to false hope. If you're ignoring warning signs because you love someone, take a step back. Timbangin mo. Ask yourself, am I truly happy? Do I feel respected? Am I growing? Or am I constantly hurting? Love should never cost you your self-worth. And sometimes, the most loving thing you can do for yourself is to stop ignoring what your heart already knows. So love deeply, but love wisely. Listen to your intuition. Trust what you see. And remember, the right person will never require you to ignore the red flags. Dahan-dahan lang. Aayos din ang lahat. Hindi ka nag-iisa. See you on my next vlog.